I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I am a city built on a hill that cannot be hidden. I am the light of the
It
world.
begins to lift. It doesn't look nice at all. The blacks, the whites, the browns, the beige. Girls are outside. The butt chicks are outside. Manicure and pedicure every week is out of the window. Out. Okay? Hello, Jessie here. Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, darling. And if you're a returning viewer, you're most welcome back to the channel. In today's topic, we'll be touching on a very interesting, juicy topic on how to look expensive, elegant, classy, beautiful, all on a budget. Okay, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, I would like you to stick around, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, endeavor to hit that button right down below. And without wasting much time, let's get straight into this juicy talk. First of all, I want to put this out there. Looking expensive, looking classy, looking elegant has nothing to do with your financial status, okay? Because in this hour of today, in this society that you are living in, this 2024 era, people think that looking expensive, classy, and elegant must be financially rich. You must be liquid when it comes to money, when it comes to finances, which is not the case. Okay, it's just the little things, the small things that you take into consideration when presenting yourself in public. That is what determines whether you're going to look expensive, classy, and elegant or not. Okay, one thing that people fail to understand is that elegance has to do with serenity. It has to do with how we carry ourselves. It has to do with how we present ourselves. That being said, let's jump straight into the first point that will make you look expensive on a budget is having designer brooches. You all know those designer brooches, right? Those Chanel, Louis Vuitton, YSL, those ones that you put on your blazer. I wish I had one right now. I will just demonstrate and show you guys. If you have one of those things in your closet, it's something very handy because it helps to elevate your style. It helps to take your outfit to another level. Just having a designer brooch on an outfit makes it look very expensive, makes it look very classic. Investing on a designer brooch is something that you should take into consideration if you want to look expensive, classy, and elegant on a budget. Okay. The next thing that will make you look expensive, classy on a budget is wearing neutral tones. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Well, some of you will be right now, you'll be like, well, Jessie, you're putting on pink. Yeah, I'm putting on pink. But pink, which shade of pink is this? Which shade of pink is this? This. You see the difference? Than having that very loud, there is pink and there is pink. I hope you guys understand that there is neutral pink and there is the pink itself. So invest more on neutral tones, the blacks, the whites, the browns, the beige, all those colors. They make your outfit look nice. They make you look nice. They make you look clean. They make you look expensive even when you're not even trying. Guys, trust me, there is something about these neutral colors that makes someone look very clean and classy and elegant. I'm putting on this pink right now. As you can see, it's a very light shade of pink. Okay, and I have it paired with this pink dress right here. And I try to make sure that the colors blend in together very well. Because imagine that I had a very bright pink and now I have this pink. How would have looked? It would have looked very odd, right? So just you guys watching me with this pink looks very nice. Yes or no? So that is how, if you're trying to have some colors in your closet, you're trying to put some colors in your closet, make sure these colors are colors that you can easily blend them together. They will still look very nice, not looking like very flashy and like Christmas tree. Next on the topic, how to look expensive on a budget, is investing on cheap outfits. What I mean by cheap outfits, like fast fashion, we have Shein, we have Temu, especially Temu now, it's like on trendy right now. We have Timo, we have no, Zara is not that cheap. Zara is kind of high end, little kind of high end, especially for us that here in Dubai. Zara is kind of high end. But you have Shein, you have Timo, you have a lot of other cheap websites that you can get very nice classic items. I'm not even joking with you guys. Most of my items that you see me wearing, they are from Shein. I'm not even gonna come here and act as if I most of my items are from Shein. And if I do not tell you, you will not know. You won't know. There was a blazer I wore one time and went out, and my friends were asking me where I got it from. I told them it's from Shein, and they were very surprised. They are wondering like, how is it from Shein? I'm like, yeah, guys, Shein has really nice stuff. If you take your time and shop from them, by the way, Shein, if you're watching this video, please sponsor your girl because I've been doing a lot of hauls from Shein. I'm talking about Shein almost all the time and I deserve a sponsorship from you guys. So yeah guys, point is invest on affordable items. Affordable items that you can elevate. Moving on to the next point on how to look expensive on a budget is having your hair done. Can you all see my hair? What do you guys see? A glueless lace frontal wig for $500. Natural hair. Yo, I cannot stress this enough. Embrace your natural. Embrace what God has given you. Even the wigs, I have wigs. Don't get me wrong, I have wigs, but sometimes I feel like the wigs are even disturbing me. Like I don't feel free with them. I'm so used to with having my hair in a bun the way I have it right now. But sometimes when I put on the wig, I feel strange. Just having this nice clean bun makes me look. I feel classy. I feel clean. I'm not throwing any shade that people put on wigs, guys. Don't get me wrong. The problem with wigs, the issue with wigs is that most people they don't know how to lay it, they don't know how to install it, and then so when you install it in a bad way, and then you're moving around, it begins to lift. It doesn't look nice at all. So if you don't know how to do all of that, because definitely you do not go to the salon every day to go and install your wig. You don't have to go to salon every time. It's very costly and it's very stressful also. Because imagine sitting in the salon every 2 3 days because you want to install a wig. Yo, if you don't know how to do it, don't do it. Leave it for the girls who know. Me, I raise my hand. I don't know. Okay, I don't know how to install wigs like that. That's why I'm used to. I love my buns. I do my buns every time. Like almost on every picture, almost everywhere I go to, I always have my buns. It's like my signature hairstyle. If you're trying to look expensive, looking classy, clean on a budget, don't invest yourself on all these people because they are not cheap. They're expensive. And secondly, you have to install them every single time, and that's also another cost. Always make sure you have your hair nicely done, clean, nice, tidy. Or if you don't like also the buns, because not everybody likes to do these buns, you can do braids. You can do braids on your hair. Okay, the next point on how to look expensive and classy on a budget, to be consecutive. And no, okay, I know that some people might come for me for this, but y'all, being consecutive, being modest in your style is everything. It makes you look classy, expensive, elegant. Because trust me, guys, if they place a lady who is nicely dressed consecutively, she paired her outfits nicely, and they place another lady in front of her who has like very, very expensive outfits, but her girls are outside, the butt chicks are outside. They have to rate between those two people. They will definitely rate the person who has the more consecutive, clean look. If you want to look elegant, classy, and expensive on a budget, invest your money on modest fashion. Modest fashion is the tea. Okay, being modest does not mean that you become like grandma or that you have to wear big skirts, long pants, and like the way people have this misconception. Being modest just have to do with you being a little bit more consecutive. This is my blazer, and underneath it I have a dress. Had it been I just wear this dress on its own without having this blazer on it, you look a lot different. You can do a demonstration. I remove this blazer so y'all can see the difference. So this is me with the blazer. This is me without the blazer. So if you have to rate between the two looks, which one do you prefer? Which one looks more classy, more expensive, more sophisticated than the other? Comment down below. So you all see the difference, right? This is simple, clear example. Very, very clear. That exactly is my point. Looking modest, covered, makes you look more sophisticated, expensive, classy, and elegant compared to all those, you know what I'm talking about. So if you want to look classy, elegant, stylish, expensive on a budget, please learn to be more consecutive and modest in your outfit selection. Okay, so yeah. Moving on to the next point, which is another very important point that we cannot leave it out, is prioritizing your skincare. You don't have to go and break the bank to buy expensive skincare products. We have very nice cheap products. Make sure you have your vitamin C. Make sure you have your facial wash. Make sure you have your cleanser, and make sure you have a good moisturizer. That's like the four key things when it comes to skincare, especially your face. because you know our face is the first thing people see when they look at us. So make sure that you have those four things in your skincare routine. It's very, very important. Your makeup glows more when your skin underneath the makeup is perfect. If you want to look expensive on a budget, make sure that you invest in your skincare routine. You take good care of your skin. The next point on this list is going to be purge your closet. Guys, we are all guilty of this, okay? We are all guilty of this because I myself sometimes I find it very difficult to let go of certain things. But yo, we need to learn how to purge our closet, remove unnecessary things, like exit things that are not important, things that you're not been wearing for years, remove them from your closet. Because those things being in your closet is preventing you from you seeing what you actually have that you can work with. We are all guilty of this. I'm not gonna come here and talk like do it every time, but I try as much as I can to remove them. Most of the times, there are some items in the closet that you're like, I don't want to let go of this item, right? Let go of it because you're not going to wear it. Either you gain weight or maybe you became too small and you should let go. By taking it out, it gives you like a clear vision for you to see what you have available that you can work with. Okay, so loves. Moving on to the next point on how to look expensive on a budget is learning how to do simple minimalistic makeup. When it comes to makeup, one of the days where we have all the cakey layers on the face. So be completely honest with you guys. Maybe if you're doing that, you're doing it either for a photo shoot or you're doing it for a particular event that requires that you do that kind of makeup. But on a normal basis, if you're going like maybe just a party or wherever you're going to, you'll do simple makeup, simple, nice and clean makeup. Avoid all the eyeshadows, the extravagant eyeshadows, the extra long eyelashes. Avoid also having a lot of product, a lot of makeup, like too much foundation, too much concealer. Y'all can see my face. This is like my simple. This is like the highest I can do for the skin. When it comes to my skin for makeup, this is like the highest I can do. I can't remember when last I used eyeshadow on my face, on my eyes. I really cannot remember. Normally, I use eyelashes. I apply these strip lashes, the very, very minimal ones. I didn't put it today because I don't have it, but if I had it, I'll put it. But even yet, without the lashes, y'all see how my makeup still looks very, very nice and simple. Simple. One thing that I will never miss on my makeup routine is my wing. That's something that is a signature for me. I'm never gonna miss the wing liner, whether I have lashes or not. I'm never gonna miss the wing liner. So just learn how to do this simple, clean girl makeup. Okay, it's gonna help to elevate you. It's gonna help you to look more clean and expensive, even when you're not even trying. Okay. So Laos, another point is to avoid designer items. Avoid overly extravagant, bold designer items. I'm going to say it. I've always been saying this in every of my videos I talk about when I'm talking about fashion and style. I always talk about this because most designer items, as you can see, first of all, they are very expensive. Secondly, the labels on it don't just make it look nice at all. Yeah, they're the ones that have like very subtle labels, very, very nice, and you don't really tell it's a designer unless like go very close to the person or the person tells you by themselves that's a designer item. Those ones are good for those who want to invest in it. But here today we are talking about how to look expensive on a budget. So you need to avoid those items. Instead, invest your money more on simple outfits, simple clothing, monochromatic looks that you can easily like fluctuate, you can easily change, you can easily style. Invest your money on outfits that you can easily turn them to something else at any time that you want. You can wear them as this, the next day you can wear them as this, the next day you can style them as this. Like have these outfits that you can have like one outfit, five different looks. Have those kind of outfits in your closet. Okay. So next point on how to look expensive on a budget is having your nails done. Guys, you do not have to go to the salon to get your nails done. You can just have like your natural nails clean, nicely filed and clean, and you're good to go. Nail salons are expensive. I'm not even joking. They're expensive. Why do you have to go and waste your money every time there? Or if you feel like you must put nails, buy press-ons. I just had press-ons I removed just 2 days ago. I had press-ons on my nails and they look very nice and very natural as well. We have the natural ones, the natural looking ones. Also, we have the extravagant ones. Go in for the natural looking ones. They are very affordable. And also the last, I had to force them out. Before you see my nails, they are not smooth because I literally forced them out. I had to do some, I didn't need the nails on my fingers, so I had to remove them by force. That's to tell you that you can invest on them. You don't have to go to the salon every day to have gel, manicure, pedicure every time. You can do it once in a while, depending on how you want to spend. But here on this topic of today, we're talking about looking expensive and classy on a budget. So those manicure and pedicure every week is out of the window, out. Okay. The last and final point on 10 things that can help you look more expensive and classy on a budget is investing on timeless pieces, not following trends. If you're trying to look expensive and classy on a budget, invest on timeless pieces. Don't follow the trends, because you know that there are times that you have outfits that will trend for a particular moment of time, and then later it just like disappears. And the funniest thing about these trends is that they are not cheap. These trends are not cheap. Avoid all of those trends because they will come and then they will go. Invest on timeless pieces like the blazers. I'm never going to stop talking about blazers because I love blazers so much. They give like this different energy. When you enter somewhere, you have a good blazer, your head is up. It gives like this different energy that people pick up on. Like I cannot stress this enough. For me, blazers, I can have like 50 blazers. I don't mind. I don't mind. I can wear blazers from Monday to Sunday. I really do not mind. Invest on timeless pieces. You can wear them over and over and over, and they are never going to get old. It's never going to go out of fashion. You get what I'm saying? These trends are definitely going to go out of trend. The same way they come in trend very, very fast, they are going to go back very, very fast as well. So avoid all of these trendy things. Okay. So, yep. I think I've set my piece today. Yeah, guys, that's that about this point. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. And if you love topics like this, comment down below so we're gonna do more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new, subscribe to this channel once again, and endeavor to hit the subscribe button right down below. Turn on your bell notifications so that every time we have a new video, you will always be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you all in the next video.